This is Wendy from Junction Technology. I would like to introduce a very beautiful and hot-selling camera. It's with a standard junction box. Here, you can hide the cables inside, and you can also hide a small power supply here inside. And here, it has 3 big holes here, and here and here. You connect cable to go through the 3 holes. Here is the screw, you can remove it, it's waterproof. There is a small white ring here, and if you don't want this hole, you can put back the screw here. And also the box is waterproof. Here is the black rubber, make it waterproof. And also we have this black rubber here to make it waterproof. Now let's move to the camera body. In the pan direction, it can rotate 360 degrees like this. And in tilt direction, it also can have different angles. Let me show you. Like, you can move here like this, and this, and this. And when you choose the angles you want, and it can be fixed by the screw. And in the front, here is a black cover. This cover, it can hide the IR lamps and also the lens. Here, the IR lamps and the lens. With this cover, people won't see the lens and IR lamps. And also this cover make the camera to look more beautiful. For this camera, we have IP version and HD analog version. For IP version, we can have from 2 megapixel to ultra 4K 12 megapixel. And for HD analog version, we can have from 2 megapixel to ultra 4K 8 megapixel. It has 6 outputs, for example, 8 megapixel AHD, 8 megapixel TVI, 8 megapixel CVI, CVBS, SDI, and EXSDI. And you can also have different lens options. For example, you can have 5x zoom motorized lens and also 10x zoom motorized lens. Besides this, you can also choose to have a Super WDR of 120 dB, and this camera is integrated with the StarNet sensor, so the camera can have a StarNet function. Based on all these powerful functions, this camera can be used in a very wide range of different projects. For example, train stations, supermarkets, and airports. And the price starts from $33 only. For more information, welcome to visit our website www.astcct.com.